Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a review for you of the Madam Glam Gel Starter Kit. They reached out and asked if I wanted to try some of their polishes, and I've never used gel nail polish before, other than the kind you can get in the store that isn't like really gel. You know, there's no curing or anything like that. So I initially said no, because I said I don't actually have a gel lamp or anything, so I can't, accurately review the product. And they said, oh, we'll send you our starter kit. It has a lamp. And I have been looking into gel polish for pedicures especially, but also if I go on vacation and I want to have a manicure last a week, regular polish doesn't last on me for a week. So I said, yes, I would like to try that. They let me pick out some colors and they sent it right over. I have tested it and I'm going to talk about it. So if you guys want to learn about some Madam Glam gel nail polish, then just keep watching. So first of all, if you don't know, here's a little backstory about my nails. Nothing lasts on me. Everything chips on me within 24 hours. I've used every base coat, top coat, polish, buffing, wrapping, cuticle. I've done it all. Nothing lasts on me. I can peel nail polish off in sheets on my nails. I don't know if I have oily nail beds or what. That's just how it is. It doesn't really bother me because I do so much swatching that it doesn't really bother me. Like I said, if I want a manicure to last, if I'm going on vacation or I know I'm not going to have time to paint my nails for a week or something and I want them to be painted, gel is going to be the way to go for me. As I mentioned, they sent their gel starter kit. It came in this little box. I chose these three colors. They're very me colors to choose. And it comes with a soak-off base coat and a soak-off top coat. There is the adapter and the plug in here for the lamp. And then they also included a little removal kit of a file and some tinfoil, because this is the soak off. You do need to use the tinfoil method to soak these off. I didn't film me doing the manicure or pedicure because I was initially just going to do the pedicure just to try it, see how it worked, see how difficult it was, get any initial frustrations out of the way, because this is an entirely new process for me. But it was so easy that I just went ahead and did the manicure at the same time. I didn't have any lights or anything set up, and so that's why I didn't film it. The instructions that come with the kit are very simple. The starter kit, which you can purchase on the website, I'll have that I'll have the link to the starter kit in the description box as well. It includes 3 gels of your choice, 1 9-watt pocket LED lamp, 10 gel remover wraps, 1 wooden cuticle pusher, and 1 double grit nail file. So I put a thin coat of the gel base coat on my nails, avoiding the cuticle area, which is really important. And then I cured it under the lamp. It says 2 minutes for the UV lamp, 30 seconds by LED. I set a timer on my phone for 2 minutes because I didn't know if this would shut off at 2 minutes. And it does, which is awesome. And then you just apply thin coats of the polish like you would. I applied 1 coat, cured it for 2 minutes, applied a second coat, cured it for 2 minutes, same with the top coat. The very last step, which is the one that worried me a little, it says remove the tacky layer, if any, with a lint-free cotton pad soaked in rubbing alcohol. And I was a little concerned because the polish still looked very wet, like wet nails wet, and I thought I was going to smudge it. No, I didn't. I just soaked a cotton pad in rubbing alcohol and gently buffed the little bit of tackiness left on my nails, and my nails were dry. They looked so shiny, so wet, but they were dry. It was kind of amazing. I showed my husband right away, and he, did not care at all. And then I texted Jess, because she cares, and I said, this is weird. This is kind of awesome and kind of weird. She goes, you're never going to do a regular pedicure again. It's awesome. And I was going on vacation the next day, so I knew I was, that was going to be the time to test it. After a week, my nails still looked fantastic. So here's the picture of my manicure right after I did it. And then here is the picture of my manicure after a week. It still looked perfect. I will say on this hand, on my right hand, my dominant hand, I did have a little chip at one point. And this is probably user error because this is literally the first time I've ever done this. I think I put too much of the polish on the second coat, so there was a little bit of a raised area that had cured. And so I was able to get a little chip on that. And then once the polish chips, like, I have to peel it off. And because I have apparently oily nail beds, I don't even know. Don't do this. I was able to peel the gel off, but it wasn't easy. I shouldn't have done it. I'm shocked I didn't damage my nails. Don't do that. I'm just being honest. That's how I did it. For removal, it was very easy. I just let my nails soak in an acetone soaked cotton pad with some tinfoil wrapped around it. It's like you're trying to reach a satellite or something because you have tinfoil fingers, but then the polish just removed. I used a wooden cuticle stick for a little bit just to get a little bit of the glitter off because I used the glitter on my fingers, so it was a lot of glitter. And it came right off. It was so easy. I did not expect to enjoy this so much, I'm going to be very honest. It was so easy. I had no idea. Why didn't anyone tell me? It was so easy. My toes still look fantastic. I'm not going to show you a picture of my toes because people are either really grossed out by toes or they're really into toes, and I'm not dealing with either of those people. They still look so shiny. This has been on my nails for almost 2 weeks now, and they look like fresh. It's super shiny, super bright pink. It's amazing. I'm really impressed with this. And now I'm going to start amassing gel polish for multiple pedicure colors. I'll leave the colors that I have in the description box. I haven't used the yellow one yet, but that's going to be my next pedicure color when I do take this one off. Have you guys tried Madam Glam's gel polish before? What are your thoughts? What are your favorite colors? They were also so kind and created a discount code. It's not affiliate, it's just a treat for you. It's 30% off, and the code is FashionFooting30, and I'll put the link in the code in the description box. You know that I will. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys in the